Spiti is the famous hill station along the Western Ghats, located in Nilgiris. Here, the highest mountain is the Doddabetta, 2,637 meters. The Western Ghats are joined by Nilgiris near Gujarat, rising the height of about 2,000 meters. Eastern Ghats. Eastern Ghats run in a northeast to southwest direction, parallel to the eastern coast of the country. They extend from Mahanadi Valley, Orissa to Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. These Ghats are not continuous. Now, let us discuss another important relief feature of India, that is the Indo-Gangetic Plain. The Indo-Gangetic Plains is also called as the North Indian River Plain. It is a large and fertile plain covering most of northern and eastern India. The formation of Northern Plain is a result of the interaction of the three Himalayan rivers, Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra, and their tributaries. Almost 20 million years ago, it was a shallow basin. But as time passed by, it got filled with various alluvial soils which were brought by these rivers from the Himalayas. The Indo-Gangetic Plains are of three parts. They are the western part, the central part, the eastern part. Let us learn more about each of these parts. Click each tab to know more. This part was formed by the river Indus and its tributaries, that is, the Jhelum, the Chena, the Ravi, the Beas, and the Satluj. The Indus River basin is largely located in Pakistan, excluding a little portion of Punjab and Haryana plains in India. This region has the do-up features, that is, the features of land between two diverging or converging rivers. The central part. It is called as the Ganga Plain. It extends from the rivers Gaghara to Teesta. It is spread across the states of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Haryana, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. It is the place where rivers like Ganga, Yamuna merge and get distributed into their tributaries, Sone, Kosi, etc. The eastern part. The eastern part mainly exists in the Brahmaputra Valley of Assam. Apart from forming the Indo-Gangetic Plains, the rivers flowing from the Himalayas cause deposition of gravel and pebble sediments, leading to the formation of a narrow belt. This belt is situated parallel to the foothills of Shivaliks and extends between 8 kilometers to 16 kilometers in length. The belt region can be studied under the names of Bhabhar and Terai. The Bhabhar Belt. a belt which is adjacent to the foothills of the Himalayas and consists of boulders and pebbles. The Babar is a narrow belt of 8 kilometers to 16 kilometers wide. The Charai Belt, a belt which lies next to the Babar region and is composed of newer alluvium. The region is mostly moist with thick forest as it is swampy and marshy. It receives heavy rainfall throughout the year and includes a wide variety of wildlife. Now, let us know about the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is situated in the western part of Rajasthan, India. It is the world's seventh largest desert and consists of sand and rocky outcrops. It is located on the leeward side of Aravallis and receives a very low amount of rainfall ranging from 100 to 500 mm per year. It has an arid climate, little or no rain, and poor vegetation cover. Streams appear only during the rainy season but disappear soon. The only river in this area is Luni. The internal drainage rivers merge into lakes and do not reach the sea. Now let us learn about the coastal plains. A coastal plain is an area of flat, low-lying land adjacent to a sea coast. The southern part of Peninsular Plateau is bordered by narrow coastal strips along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. The western coast starts from a place called Rann of Kutch and ends at Kanyakumari. The western coast is more narrower than the eastern coast. The western coastal plain is uneven and is divided into three parts, that is, Konkan coast, northern part which touches Maharashtra and Goa, Canara, middle part which includes plains of Karnataka, Malabar coast, southern part which mostly in the state of Kerala. The Bay of Bengal East Coast plains are wide, have large surface structure and are very fertile. These plains start from Mahanadi in Odisha to Kaveri deltas in Tamil Nadu. The rivers which help in the formation of these plains include Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. These coastal plains have different local names like Utkal Coast in Odisha, Sirkar Coast in Andhra Pradesh, Coromandel Coast in Tamil Nadu. Point the following places in the given outline map by dragging the respective pin on the map. Now, let us do an activity on match the following.